Select the product catalog at the left side of the screen. You will see the list of your available product if you have any, and you want to click on Create Product button to add your new items or new services. You may then add the name of your product or services and write a description about it, and also add the image to gain more trust from your audience. Don't forget to customize your unit quantity too. Then you may scroll down and set the pricing right. You may choose recurring if it's a subscription-based product, so your customer have to pay over and over to keep getting your product or services. You can set it up at this billing period right here and choose how often you want to charge your client for. Or you may also select it to be one-off. If the payment is for one time only, you can set the reasonable price for it and select the right currency for you and your client. After you are good with everything, click on Add Product button over here. And there you go, you just add your new products on your Stripe account. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.